answer you. And why are you rat-raising this little damsel?
This gets from this village.
Yes, I know. I have a head that contains an active and agile brain that does a work called retentive memory. What you answered is not the answer to my question. The question is, why the chase?
She is naked. Eh? Can't you see her? Look at her.
I'm not naked though. This guy has been throwing me around.
Young girl, why this ragmatize? No. Why this ratus ragmatize on your body? Young man, this girl is not psycho, but what Queen Elizabeth English calls nudity. Do you understand? She is half naked. And if she is being taken to court for this, she will be charged with seduction.
That is exactly why I want to catch her, take her back to her family before she runs into the market or into the dustbin and start picking her here, my mind.
Shut up your mandible, you illiterate. Eh? Now I have seen how incumbrate, now I have seen how voluptuous your brain and porous your brain is. I told you earlier before now that this girl is not mad. She just dressed seductively to sample her tantalizing parts for the eyeball of men to rotate in each socket, which may lead to rape. She don't even know that. Young man, and you are here claiming you want to take her to the father. Who knows what is in your mind? Who knows what you are incubating? Who knows what you are fabricating? Who knows if you want to go and bushalize this girl? Who knows if you want to go and dissect the other side of her in the bush? And you're here claiming that you want to motionize, accelerate her to her father's house. Who knows what you are bushalizing and monopolizing and consumerating in your heart? Who knows if you want to go and rape this girl? Now listen, locomote yourself randomly 360 degrees out of yourself in this environment. Young girl, enter this my iron horse. I will take you to your father's house myself. What about that?
Cool, sir.
Whether cool or hot, enter. What are you still waiting for?
Listen, one teacher, don't do this. So don't just try it. Not because you speak all this big grammar, English, you think you'll be intimidating everybody because of it. Not everything, not every issue, not every matter that must come and chuck your mouth into it.
So, you have the effrontery. No. You have the effrontery to monopolize, to incumbate, to transform yourself, to talk back at me. Eh? You have the... Don't worry. I am too big to handle you. I am too big. I will report you to Queen Elizabeth. By the time she is done dealing with you, by the time she is done dealing... Let's go.
If you like,
let's go.
If you like, go and report me to Queen Elizabeth or Queen Anina. Let me tell you, where we are waiting, Reverend Father, in church is after supper. We are waiting in Amin. I will not say anything. Don't worry. Do what you want.
No problem.
You see,
whether Amim or anywhere in animatic, I will do what I want to do. Stay well, eh? Hey! You don't hold me like you don't. You don't hold me like that. Girls of nowadays don't know how to. Oh yeah, stay this way. Yes, you don't know how to ride on an iron horse. And for you, I'm coming for you.
Listen, stop this thing, oh.
Are you still opening your
Don't do this thing, oh.
mouth to talk to me like that? Don't worry, let me drop this locomotive engine. I'm coming for you. I am coming for you.
Don't